right back with you, okay? Can I get you a glass of water or something?
No, I'm cool.
Detective here from the sheriff's office, so I've got a kite here that you're looking to talk to us.
Yeah, absolutely.
What's going on?
December 13, 2019, approximately 3:30 p.m., Sergeant Longbond slammed my hand in the tray slot in cell MH1. Okay? The nurse came back with an ice pack to give it to me. At that time, I bolted out the cell door to try to get into the sergeant's office to get to a phone. At that point in time, I was tackled, sprayed in my genitals with a mace for 5 seconds, with unloaded 2 cans and tased in my genitals. So I just want to get a understanding. The state will not, I've subpoenaed jail for surveillance video, which at first they say that, here's the pictures from my injuries. And we had first she says that they don't have video surveillance footage from that cameras at that point in time. Then she tells me that the prosecutor's office advised them not to release the video to me. I have the jail halls that I made to the sheriff's department at the time that it happened. One directed straight to the sheriff's department from Juan Walters, stating that you can talk to your attorney about this regarding nothing to this complaint, signed by him. For some odd reason, I just can't get the video evidence. That's what I'm trying to get. I believe the man did something to me, and I just want to get clarification on what happened, period. I got x-rays from my hand that was done at the time, and everyone keeps playing me around like I'm fucking retarded. No offense, I'm not trying to swear at anybody, but I'm just tired of the nonsense. I want something looked into. They're withholding state's evidence. It's mine. I want it. I want to make sure nothing was done. After that, they got video footage of me going into the restraint chair, taken out into the garage. After you sprayed me down in my genitals and shot me in the dick with a fucking taser, then you hose me down with a hose. For what reason? It's December 13th. You're reactivating the pepper spray all over my shit. Left me in a restraint chair for fucking 7 hours and burnt the shit out of my dick. You know? So I just want the matter looked into. I don't understand why they're withholding state's evidence. I don't understand why I can't get that camera footage. They got it. I want it. I want to show what's going on. I made a report to it. It's all documented, and I just want my voice to be heard. I'd like to express my constitutional rights to press assault charges against him. I want it looked into.
Okay. All right. So I got to make sure that I'm on the.
You sprayed me in my balls with a fucking can of mace and shot me in the dick with a taser, and they got it on tape.
That's on video.
Absolutely.
And
they're withholding it. They won't give it to me. Okay. I want you to get it.
Why won't?
I don't know.
But first, you're saying they saying they don't have
it? They got it. I got the tape. Me coming out the cell 10 minutes after the incident. And they won't give me that camera angle down there showing what's going on in the source office after they tased me, whatever. Now, he says in the report that he hit me with a taser and it didn't work. He's full of shit. He's lying. I just want you guys to do my due diligence. I'm an American, and I just want the process to go through. What the man did to me was wrong. I just want it looked into. I'm tired of people coming at me like I'm crazy. You got video evidence of it? Just, if I'm lying, that's fine. Charge me.
So there is video of one angle, but not another one.
Well, they got the video. They got the whole angles. They got all of it. They got all of it. They're not giving it to me. They're trying to give me 10 minutes after the issue. It shows the sergeant. It shows him coming to my cell with a nurse, pulling out the taser. What you bringing a taser for in there? If I didn't do nothing wrong. The investigator came 16 days after and took pictures of my wounds. 49 days after the fact, they took me to the hospital, took x-rays, which I had a fractured hand. But at that point in time, I was healing. And the guy kept intercepting my kites because he's a sergeant. Now he's a lieutenant. I can't get no leeway. Okay? But they have the video footage of me coming out of cell MH1, which they simply said they didn't have. I says, oh, no, you got it. And I need that camera angle down that hallway showing into the male holding tanks, because right there's the sergeant's office showing all y'all jumping on me, macing me in the genitals, and fucking hit me with a fucking taser in the dick. Okay. And they keep saying, oh, we don't, you got it. You got the footage. Just stop lying. If I'm, you know what I'm saying? I'm not making this shit up. You got camera evidence. That's all. I just want, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to get too excited.
All right.
I keep getting lied to.
Don't.
You know, when I make a report here, and if you read it, I point blank period, I talked to Lori Gladding.
Can I make, first of all, can I make copies of all this?
You can have it. I got plenty of them. Plenty of them. I got it online too.
You want to give me this?
You can keep all that.
Okay.
Anything you want.
Okay.
So I got this right here. So on 12/26, I make a call, and Troy Phillips called the jail threats on Thursday, 12/26, looking for the sheriff. He claims that Sergeant Longbond assaulted him by smashing his hands in the chute. He also said that he has filled out many inmate request forms directed to the sheriff regarding this, but nothing is being done. I told him I would let him know and to fill out another directed form to the sheriff. Their response is, did he call collect? So I went out to Captain Brooks. To Captain Brooks, to the sheriff, I need to speak with you. On December 13th, I was assaulted by Sergeant Longbond. He slammed both my hands in the cell door chute. The nurse was called to give me an ice pack for my injuries. I would like to express my constitutional rights to press charges on Sergeant Longbond. Captain Ron Walters, you can talk to your attorney about this. We will do nothing regarding this complaint. Okay, cool. So I talked to them. They come over 16 days later and take pictures of my hands. They wouldn't let me use the telephone. They kept me locked in there.
Who took these pictures?
Roger Martin from the Public Defender's Office. Okay? They made a report of it. They got the tape. The Public Defender's Office got the video, and now they won't release it to me. I subpoenaed it. At first they're telling me it doesn't exist. Then it says the prosecutor's office advised me not to release the tape to you.
Okay.
I got tape. 10 minutes after the fact, I need another camera angle. I'm not trying to sue nobody. I'm not trying to do nothing. This shit is ridiculous.
Okay.
I'm trying to swear to. I'm just.
Okay.
Does your public defender have?
I got an attorney now. They're dicking me around. They keep playing games.
Does your attorney, whoever they are, whether it's public defender?
Oh, well, they took me over there the other day and they went to the judge and they're trying to get this. They're beating around the bush and they're doing all this nonsense. They got it. They have it. Now they're trying to say, well, if it's a threat to security, I already got the tape 10 minutes after the fact. Okay, I've already done my due diligence. I hired a private investigator, Rob Slattery, Fox 8's own out of Cleveland from JAB Invest. He's done the research on it. That after the become the 9/11 attacks and then the Boston shit, whatever the fuck, and the Edward Stone, anything in any government facility, that being a jail, all video recordings has gone off into the Spirit of Sweden, wherever it goes, and is put into a cloud, into a server, due to the fact that there's ever a terrorist attack or some any type of any government facility. They can rewind that tape to make sure there was an infiltrator or anything else that goes like that. They got the tape. There's no recording over it. There's no nothing. She said Captain Brooks came to my cell with Officer Esperance, Officer, I believe, I can't remember the other officer's name, and told me, Mr. Phillips, I apologize. I will have that tape for you tomorrow. Next thing you know, the prosecutor's office advised me not to give it to you. We'll be giving it to you in the discovery phase. Well, when's that going to be? And I'm requesting it. I need that.
How far are you in your case right now?
They're trying to get me to go to trial and do some other bullshit or whatever. I don't know. I just.
Has your attorney gotten discovery yet? Have they found?
I've been had discovery since April 21st, and then they keep digging me around because they're trying to I'm not trying to sue nobody. Okay, what the man did to me was some bullshit. I expressed my rights as an American. I told him what I wanted to do. Nobody's listening to me. So you did some bullshit to me. Then you turn around and try to charge me with some bullshit.
Who's prosecuting your case?
Amy Alessi.
All right, and then so
the man shot me in my dick with a taser spray.
So the first part of it is you said that he slammed your hand.
Flat out 3 times.
Okay.
He came to my.
But you don't have that on video now.
I got 10 minutes after him coming to my cell with an ice pack.
Okay.
Officer Corley.
So that's one thing we're still looking for.
Yeah, Officer Corley and Officer Zupancic will testify as to what happened. They're not gonna lie for the man.
Okay.
Okay. The dude broke my shit.
Okay.
I got pictures of that. They locked me in a cell and wouldn't let me use a telephone. You got the Global Telelink record showing that. Okay. They locked within 72 hours after I'm incarcerated. You have to allow me to use a telephone to call somebody. They kept me locked in that cell. I got video from Vanessa Clapp going to the municipal court saying I'm having mental health issues. I've received a settlement, which I was whatever, and the jailers won't let me go. But I understand the charges. They kept me from using a phone and kept me locked in a cell with no running water, no nothing. That man choked me the fuck out, sprayed me in my dick with a fucking, shot me in the taser with a dick and left me in there for 3 days after the fact, after I defecated myself, and wouldn't allow me to use a telephone, no nothing, or take a shower. They came 3 days later. Officer Orris will testify to it that I can't take a shower without having shackles and handcuffs on and this and that. He couldn't give me a shower until the long bonds came on 3rd shift because he's in a position of power and he was doing some bullshit. I'm not making this up. All I'm asking is my due diligence to check the footage and see if I'm lying. And if I'm lying, then thank me for perjury or fucking falsification of police statement. But this is bullshit. They fucked me around, man. And I'm not getting anyone's just, I'm done with it. So I don't know what to do.
Okay. All right.
This really happened. There's video evidence of it. They have the tape.
So I just got to make sure that I'm on the right page, okay? So the first part is you don't have the video of your hand getting slammed in the door.
I got 10 minutes after. I got him coming to my cell with an ice pack.
Okay, all right. So then the foam pepper spray.
Yes.
You don't have that.
No, they're only giving me coming out in a restraint chair. They're not showing a camera angle down the thing where they fucking. So he jumped on me in office. Officer Riley will testify that he says, Phillips, I don't know what all the complaints about. I had a good time. I'm not mad at you for having a good time choking the shit out of me. I hope y'all had fun. I don't, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, Troy, I just spoke to the prosecutor. Apparently there's a hearing for you tomorrow.
Yeah.
A suppression hearing tomorrow.
I just want the tape.
So maybe that'll be addressed then. I don't know. She says she will communicate through your attorney.
I'm not. Listen, they keep bullshitting me around.
Listen,
I like to do my due diligence, and I like this case to be looked at. I was assaulted, flat out. I got broken bones. I got pictures. I got investigators. I got paperwork. I got documentation. You can't make this stuff up. Why am I just getting put on the side like I'm a fucking, you know what I'm saying? I don't understand. I'm not lying. I'm not making none of this shit up. This is bullshit. And then the dude turns around and says, I threw a chair at him, and he had to go to, the dude never went to the hospital. I subpoenaed the medical records for that too, and he was never at Tri-Point Hospital. Never happened. The doctor that he says whatever the fuck works in Kirtland. It's just bullshit. So I just want my due diligence. If you could turn around and press charges on me, I like to press charges on him. I got video evidence showing what the fuck happened, and I just like to get that. And I like to stop getting dicked around like I'm a fucking communist or some shit, man. I'm in America.
Well, they're not. They're trying.
No.
Listen,
I ain't mad at you. They're dogging me. They're fucking me around.
Well, listen, they're going through your attorney. That's why.
Listen.
They can't just give things straight to you. So you got to just wait it out.
I've been there.
And go.
I keep getting lied to. Right here. I got the.
Unfortunately, I don't know. I mean, unfortunately, we don't know anything about your case.
Fuck the case. I'm not worried about that. The man assaulted me. He broke my hand. December 13th, 2019. There's video evidence of it. I'm asking you to just give me my due diligence and investigate it.
I will try to get some video.
You get to take, like, fuck what they talking about. I'm done with it. They keep beating around. You guys are detectives. Detective, ask me something. You know, this shit is crazy. This shit is nuts.
All right. Okay. Well, that'll be our first step. Is then
They sprayed me in my
all
dick,
that
flat out. He shot me in the dick with a taser. And then he fucking, you know, I'm not mad about it.
That was in the sergeant's office.
It was in the thing, but you could see after the fact.
What thing?
In the short's office, there's angle up with that camera footage into that holding tank. So when the shit's going on, you can't see where it happened. He shot me with the taser first when I'm running into the office, and I fell out. They said I went in there and fucking threw something around and all this. You shot me with a taser. The officer, McKinnon's saying that he hurt his back in the takedown because of the way my legs was kicking when they was trying to put shackles on me, because you tased me in the dick. I don't know how my legs are going to get fucking dangling when you shoot me in the fucking dick with a taser. This shit really happened. And then I apologize, man. This shit is ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, check it out. Check the tape. Do me my due diligence. If I'm making any of this up, charge me to the fullest extent of the law, please. Okay? It's what happened.
Okay.
Like a polygraph, whatever you want to do. That's what I told them I wanted to do. I told my attorney, like, let's get a motherfucker set up to the polygraph. Well, you don't want to do that. The fuck I don't. You can't fake one of those. You can't. You can't fake a polygraph. They try to tell me, oh, well, they're in inadmissible court. Not for the criminal, for the motherfucking prosecution. Because if I'm telling the truth, they don't want to, well, you know, because you can't fake one. So I'm like, hook me up. Let's go. And they keep trying to bullshit me around with all this. Listen, man, they got the tape. I need it. They have it. There's no excuse about that. It's on video. That's all I'm asking.
We'll see if we can get our hands on.
Okay. I know you can get your hands on. Can you get it on, please? Please.
That'll be the
if I
first
did
thing
something to
we'll
you
work.
guys, or I got some problem going on this and that, and I don't want no problem. I just want this shit looked at because I tried. And they totally ran me through the fucking ringer on this shit. And I can't get no help.
Roger Martin took these?
Yes. He did the investigation. They came, and Lieutenant Simpson took his own pictures. I never even went to segregation for the issue because Lieutenant Simpson seen the shit. He said, Troy, I feel bad for you. I'll say, cool. But now they're coming with me trying to listen, man. You broke my shit, man. You did some foul shit. Officer Corley and Officer Zupanzik witnessed the whole thing. And you could ask them a question, they're not gonna lie. So I just don't know what else to do.
Okay.
But you sprayed me in my shit, you did all this nonsense, and it's like, you know, I'm sorry my ADHD, I'm fucking rambling on, I get a little heated and shit. So, you know, I've done some, I've been in trouble, but on this aspect, you know what I'm saying, I don't understand why, if I got a criminal record, I've done something in the past, that just because of that, I can't make a statement or I can't say nothing when a motherfucking police does something to me. It's just bullshit. You know, Black Lives Matter, so do the white ones. It's just ridiculous. I'm an American, and it's just fucking bullshit. And you got fucking camera footage. I'm not trying to swear. You guys got video evidence to why am I going through this? You know what I'm saying? That's all I want. All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna suppress this. Listen, man. Forget what you guys talking about. I talked to Tech. I was assaulted. Period. I'm not making it up. Like I said, I know I'm repeating myself. But if anything's a discrepancy in any of my story, then please charge me. I don't know whatever. You can make something up. Okay? It happened. It happened.
Well, we're not gonna make anything up.
Whatever you want if I'm lying.
I get it.
Okay?
I get what you're saying. Sure.
I just want it looked into.
Yeah.
They got the tape. I need that. It happened.
Okay.
The dude's in a position of power. He's intercepting all my kites. I had to have the guy, Ramirez, straight take that to you because the dude, all my kites keep coming back, Lieutenant Longbonds, because he's in a position of power. Okay? You know, then I had other officers, Sudiak, tell me, he says, I don't know what you do. You understand you're someone else's playground? What the fuck you mean by that, bro? You threatening me? Well, no, okay. So if I smack you upside your shit, what's it gonna be? Now I get charged, right? So am I safe in here? What you mean I'm on somebody else's playground? What the fuck's that supposed to mean? You know what I'm saying? I'm done with the bullshit, man. Shit's ridiculous. You held me in a cell, and they got a videotape of that. You kept me in a cell for fucking 11 days without allowing me to use a phone, call anybody, know where I'm at.